Hello. So first question is mass, length and time are the SI base quantities. State two other base quantities. So mass is the base quantity which is unit of kilogram. Length is a base quantity which is unit of meter, and time is the base quantity which is unit of second. So there are other base quantity which is written as temperature. It's a base quantity and it is the unit of Kelvin. And the other base quantity is current. It is the base quantity and it has units of ampere. So the B part is a mass M is placed on the end of the spring that is hanging vertically as shown in figure 1.1. The mass is made to oscillate vertically. Okay. The time period of the oscillation of the mass is T. The period T is given by T equal to C root M upon K, where C is a constant and K is the spring constant, so that C has no units. Okay. So for K, because it is a spring constant, so spring constant K is usually defined F from the Hooke's law. It is F equal to minus Kx. So K is the spring constant. So the units are for the, if you want to find, and X is the basically how much stretch has been done for the spring. So it is a unit of length. So for the K, unit will be force upon X. That means force upon length. And the units of the force are basically defined from the Newton second law, M into A, kilogram meter S minus 2. So the for K units will be kilogram meter S minus 2 upon M. So meter will cancel out, it will be kilogram S minus 2. Okay. For M is the mass, so it will have units of kilogram. Okay. So for C, we can write, because C is a constant, K is a spring constant, so that C has no units. So C, for C will have T divided by root M upon K. So T has the units of time period, so it will be seconds upon root M. So M is basically mass kilogram, and it is kilogram per kilogram S minus 2. So kilogram will cancel out. So it will be S upon root 1 upon S minus 2. So under root of S minus 2 will be only S minus 1. So that means S upon 1 upon S minus 1. So if we will flip it over, so that can be written as, if you write here, C will be S into S minus 1. So it will be 1. So that means it is a unitless quantity. So it will be so that C has no units. In the another way, we can also done like that. T is a unit of seconds and root M by K has a units of also the seconds. So if say both units LHS and RHS have the units of seconds, that means C will have no units. So that way we can also do it. Thank you.